Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to turn off CPU overclocking in 1 minute. Okay, first things first, right-click on the Windows icon in the bottom left corner. What you want to do is to tap on Settings from the suggestions. And here in the Settings window, click on System. In here, look for Power and Sleep and click on it. Also, click on Additional Power Settings. In the Power Options window, you will see your selected power plan. Click on Change Plan Settings next to it. Also, click on Change Advanced Power Settings. A new dialog box will then appear. Scroll down and find Processor Power Management and double-click on it. In the Processor Power Management section, you will be able to see minimum processor state and maximum processor state. For both minimum and maximum processor state, reduce the value from 100% to 99%. Click on Apply and then click on OK. Once done, you'll be able to turn off CPU overclocking in 1 minute. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now turn off CPU overclocking in 1 minute. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.